Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Vega smartwatch. First, ensure your watch is fully charged. This is crucial for a smooth setup process. Next, download the official Vega app from your phone's app store. Finally, make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is enabled and ready to discover new devices. These initial steps prepare you for a successful connection. Now, open the Vega app on your phone and either create a new account or log in. Once inside, look for an option like Add Device or Pair New Device. The app will then scan for nearby smartwatches. Select your specific Vega smartwatch from the list that appears to initiate the pairing process. After selecting your watch in the app, a pairing request will appear on your Vega smartwatch screen. Confirm this request on your watch. The app will then begin synchronizing data, which might take a moment. Once connected, you can customize various settings, such as notifications, watch faces, and health tracking preferences, directly within the app. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your smartphone and your Vega smartwatch. Also, ensure both the app and your watch's firmware are updated to their latest versions. Always keep your smartwatch within a close Bluetooth range, typically about 30 feet, for a stable connection. These simple steps often resolve most common pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.